welcome back to another YouTube video. Today is day 12 of our backtesting session video. Yeah, man, a little bit of a late one because I was expecting PM session to be honestly good. Found zero trades. Price action was horrible. Great way to end September, knowing that it was a complete shit month. Nah, I'm playing. It was an alright month for me at least. Just very low trade frequency, and honestly, still up on the month, so that's pretty cool. But I should be performing a lot better, I'm gonna be honest. But it is what it is. So let's just get straight into backtesting. And yeah. As for bias backtesting, pretty bullish, obviously. Can't tell me otherwise. Daily, weekly, all just straight shot to the upside. But we do have this 4-hour gap that I don't want to see us maybe see what we get there. But we do have a lot of low resistance liquidity to the downside, as you see here. All this trendline liquidity and kind of all this. So we'll see if we can manipulate higher and get moving to the downside. It is a Monday. Okay, Monday, no news. But yeah, I'm not gonna trade this. Okay, so like I said, still very bullish. Kind of decorrelation with NQ and ES. So yeah, ES is a lot stronger. What the fuck? Okay. We do have S&Ts at these highs and these highs. We actually swept them. Dude, my crosshair's like drunk, bro. Just going wherever it wants to. Okay, so we're respecting this 4-hour to the tick, moving down pretty well. Let's go to open. Okay, open. Like I said, very decorrelated. Yes, a lot stronger. So I do think we dump on NQ as well. Okay, want to see us tap this 30-minute. Okay, tap this 30-minute. Okay, we do have this 3-minute right here. Okay, now let me think real quick. We don't have 15-minute, we are in this 30-minute. Yeah, I definitely want to go short. Don't want to take that 3-minute. Okay. Okay, let's see if we get this 1-minute close below. Okay, good close below. I'll take this. And honestly, target these lows right here. Place order. Okay, break even right here. Okay, break even. Okay. A break even trade. Yeah. Respecting this hourly rejection block. So yeah, nothing you could have done there, I'll be honest. Still want to go short though. Damn, so job break even hunted. It looks like it's ready to go down now. But yeah, or not. So we're just trading equal lows. So see what we want to retrace into this hourly gap. Okay, tapped hourly. Okay, good POI for us to see rejection. I want to see a good candle close below here. Okay, good close. Make sure there's no SMT at the 15. Okay. We have this 15-minute. There's a lot of low resistance liquidity to the downside. I'll take a shot at this. Stop above here. And then to these equal lows. Don't want to be in the trade no more. Yeah, no. Definitely don't want to be in the trade no more. Okay. Guess it's not ready to dump yet. But we have this fucking gnats, bro. So fucking annoying, bro. Maybe want to tap this 4 hour. Oh, I mean this hourly gap. Okay, tapped it. Pretty much perfectly. So we get a good reaction to the downside. Okay. Good close below. Stop above here. We'll have about a 20-point stop loss since it's a pretty. And honestly, one to 4 seems pretty good. Okay. If we get a 5-minute, damn. Not sure what we want to do. Once again, I don't think I want to be in the trade no more, considering we have equal lows there. That is this candle. So yeah. Yeah. Didn't get an entry. Still respecting bullish order flow, but we're making lower low, lower low, lower low. So I want to see us. We do have SMT here. Okay, this looks good. Close below here, SMT low, high, I mean, boom, 1 to 4. Can we just get entered? Like, bro. Okay, entered. Break even. Here. Okay, good move. About time. We shouldn't go break even, bro. We should just completely annihilate to these lows. Okay, make sure we don't have any SMT. Okay, no SMT. Okay, we have SMT now. like I said, back testing purposes, I don't care about how much I made. Funded lives, I would be fully out, but yeah, it doesn't even matter. Good trade. Patience. That's why you gotta stay patient, you know. Just waiting for, SMT, cleared lows that we want to get taken out. 1 to 4, boom, bada bing, bada boom. Okay, next day. Okay. So we're reacting off this 4-hour liquidity sweep, BPR right here, also in line with this breaker block. So definitely a good POI for us to have a buy switch, and we do have pretty much equal highs to the top. So I'm just checking something real quick. So yeah, in this hourly gap as well. See what we use. Wednesday 12 CPI. Okay, so we had CPI. What? This weak ass CPI. What you mean this is CPI? This was CPI. How many points is that? Like 40 only? 25. I don't know if it's replay data messed up, but I guess that was CPI news. Some weak ass CPI news. But okay. So manipulating up. I don't think it's actually manipulating up, but manipulation opened up. Let's see if we did. Yeah, so no entries so far. So we did a 5-minute retracement, and we did with SMT, but couldn't catch that. So yeah, and this looks like it's just gonna pump the whole day. It's just a matter of can we get a retracement, and I don't think we will. So yeah, it's already basically end of AM session, and there hasn't been a single retracement. I don't know how much time, so I want to tap this. Yeah. So clear turtle soup. BPR 4-hour breaker block, 50% in premium of this initial leg up. So yeah, how do I enter on this? There wasn't really any trades, to be honest. There wasn't any. Okay, it's just unlucky, and you just try to clear drawn liquidity to this 4 hours. So yeah, I might just skip the rest of the day. Consider now we actually do have SMT at these highs. Yes, soon. Okay, so we actually might be manipulating down. Okay, so no entries again. So yeah, start next day. Nothing. Yeah, so had a small pullback in Asia and London. Coming back up pre-market, tapping into this 4-hour. We do have S&Ts at these highs. So we'll see what we want to do. See where clear obvious manipulation is, what draws we have. Pretty neutral. Could definitely pump up. Crazy candle, to be honest. This is 1 minute after open. Okay. So looks like we want to go back to all-time highs, both on ES and NQ. So if we just get a manipulation to the downside to this 30-minute maybe? Yeah, 30-minute right here, soon to be an hourly. Get a 4-hour open low. Okay, so 4-hour open and low, inverse gap. See if we're in a 5-minute. No, we're nothing. This might go without us considering. There's nothing this retracing to. Clear drawn liquidity to the upside, clear open low, high lows. Just not a single thing we're reacting off of. So yeah, unlucky. It's nothing you could really do, bro. I'll be honest. Market will never give you exactly what you want it to. So yeah, just poor retracements, no retracement, clear drawn liquidity. Okay, now we're manipulating down, which I do want us to see. I want to see us tap this hourly. We're about to have this 2 p.m. open. Okay, now we have a 4-hour gap that we can play with. Okay, tapped it. Let's see for entries. Okay, manipulated to the downside. Okay, so now we want to completely dump. Yeah, probably gonna dump to all these accumulation lows. So see if we get a retracement to the upside. Unless we get a good move up. I'm talking 3 bullish candles to the upside. If not, not liking any of this. Not liking any of this at all. Okay, there's an open 15-minute. I want to see this manipulate into. And we don't get that. So, classic, just go without you. We could get a long now, considering we are in this 4-hour. We just need to inverse this 3-minute and make our move up. And then just accumulate the whole day. Okay, not a good day at all. We do have this model right here. Do I want to take this? Maybe. There's S&T here with ES. As you can see here. Somehow, I'm not sure. Like I said, these decorrelations, they get confusing. And now we have this 2-minute model right here after this S&T was created. It will be longing basically into a 15-minute gap. So yeah, they're not going to take this. It's too late in the day as well. Yeah, it's go next day. No point of wasting time. It's already 3:50. Yeah, so price action slowly starting to shit itself. But I do think we have a big day to the upside. Get rid of all this higher time frame S&Ts and just continue being bullish. So yeah. Clear low resistance liquidity, clear equal highs, another swing high. So yeah, long should look valid. See we get manipulation to the upside during open. We had this 30-minute that I think we're S&T'd. Yeah, so far we're S&T'd. It's actually just equal. Okay, good sweep. Okay, exactly what I want to see. No models as of just now. Okay, swept again. We have a 30-second model, but I want us to sweep one more time. Or create something on a higher time frame. Not 30-second. Okay, swept one more time. Just nice. Okay, I like this. And swept here. Causing SMT. 15-minute gap. Respecting. Have this 1 minute model. I don't think we come lower here. And then target. Could target this, but I'll just target this considering ES is the stronger pair. So most likely we'll just have SMT at those highs. So yeah. Tapped. Okay, good reaction. As for SMT, I think it's 5 minute. Yeah, we have this 5 minute, but then again, probably just gonna have SMT at once we have SMT at this high, I'll just go break even with the NQ. Okay, not looking greatest. Okay, so took an L. What could I have done better? Not sure. We're keeping equal highs. Might have just entered a little too early into the market. Should have waited for better price action. Even as now, I do think we go. I don't know when we'll go if we actually do go. Okay, so just like the other day that we won, just generating liquidity to the upside. Now it's just a matter of when we want to go. Not really targeting anything to the downside. We have this 4 hour that actually looks like a good target for us to reverse off of. But doesn't even want to tap that. So now I'm a little bit confused because now we're kind of reversing. Okay, so I want us to sweep. I want us to tap this 4 hour, man. Wow. Wow, this was the whole trading day. Extremely bad day. Okay, can't do anything about it. 1-0. Edged it completely. No S&T with it either. Okay, right here. Didn't touch it. So yeah. 1L, 1W, still up 3R. So looks like we're just gonna pump up to here. Yeah, very shitty. I know I probably say it every fucking video, but the more you backtest, you'll start to notice that these markets are just not good. If there's good price action, take advantage of it. I'm gonna be honest. That's why people say, once you get your profits, bro, get the fuck off the charts, bro. Because it's honestly, they're meant to be bad. They're meant to be just, manipulative, just not good. And once you do get that good price action, bro, take advantage, risk more. Because honestly, there's more bad times in the market than there's good. It's just how the stock market moves. So, yeah. Okay, leaving these equal highs. See if we can retrace into anything, 15-minute gap. Okay, retraced. See we get this 30-second. Okay, nothing. Okay, touching this 5 minute, we do have crazy amounts of liquidity, as you can see. Very shitty structure to the upside, but I promise you we're probably gonna find a way to sweep this and then make our move down. So that's what I'll be waiting for. Man, once again. Okay, SMT with it though. As you can see, this was SMT'd and then this one is SMT'd, so that is now valid. But I want to see both NQ sweep it. Okay, swept it. I mean, like I said, we should get going to the downside, but these candles aren't even printing. It's a Monday. Who would have thought? Who would have thought, bro? Monday, no fucking news. And you guys wonder why I don't trade it. It's just, bro, the candles aren't even printing correctly for the past hour. No fucking shit. Get off that. Okay, now we're back to all-time highs. You know how the game goes. Just okay. Now I'm just kind of back testing too quickly. I need to rewind. Okay, let me lock in. Okay. All-time highs. Tap this hourly gap. Yes, also tap this hourly gap. So no SMTs. Okay. Both swept the highs. Let's see what we want to do. Okay. Now we have SMT here. Okay. Don't move down. I would look to take this 3 minute. Now I'll just take it to a 4 hour gap. Okay. We're already coming across SMT. Let me think. Okay. Hourly gap. I don't mind this. Okay. 5 minute, 4 hour. Let me just double check. We're keeping this 4 hour open. Yeah. Okay, SMT, not SMT, but break even when ES hits this. Okay, good move down. So I'll go break even. As for TP, this 4 hour, considering how bullish we are, let's see what ES is doing. Now this looks like it should dump. We should definitely dump. Okay, boom. Do have S&T right here. See, I'm gonna be honest. It's kind of a long shot. I don't think we did go there, considering how bullish we are, but we'll see. Okay, most likely a break-even trade. Too bullish for us to complete a very complete short, but we'll see. Okay, moving down pretty fast now, actually. So, considering that, I will actually take this to here. Okay. So yeah, break-even trade. Could have took your profits here. Like I said, back testing session purposes, I don't care about profit. Funded on lives, definitely should take profit after this SMT, even though we did sweep it as well. But back testing session purposes, I don't care about profits. So yeah, we got our move to the downside. Let's see if we did our move to the upside. Okay, currently 11 a.m. Very bullish. Let's see if we get 15 minute. and then the rest of the day is a whole lot of nothing. So yeah, that's it for you guys. Well, for the day, depending what are we at right now? 30 minutes. Yeah. I'm gonna call that a session. 30 minutes already. All-time high price action, not the best. Basically 2 W's, 1 break even, 1 L. So yeah, pretty good session. Price action is definitely starting to get worse, but we are at all-time highs, so you could definitely expect that. So yeah, that's day 12. I'm gonna see y'all boys later, and yeah, have a good one. Peace.